Welcome, and for me is a Redmi 9AT, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, expand it, and find the toggle for screen recording, which for me it's right over here, as you can see. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately start recording or hold it, and this does, I believe, take us to the settings. Yep, there we go. So from here we can tap on this settings icon, and we have option to change a couple different settings. So we have resolution, and now it looks like it's maxing out on 720p for some reason, so that's a little bit poor, but anyway. Then we have video quality. We have it set by default to 6 megabytes per second. Now we can make it a little bit better if you want. I believe at 720p, probably anything above 16 won't really have any kind of difference. So I believe 8 might still have a little bit of a visual difference, but anything above that probably won't be noticeable. But the video will be taking more space the higher you go, so just keep that in mind. And then we have orientation, so you can set it to always record at a specific orientation, that'd be portrait or landscape. By keeping it on auto, it will just automatically detect which position it is in and start recording in that position. Then we have sound source, which we have only option between mute mic and sound system or system sound. There is no option for both, so system sound plus microphone, unfortunately. So you'll have to pick one of those. Then we have fixed frame rate. I would probably keep it checked on, otherwise it will vary. And then we have frame rate. We can set it to 30. I would highly recommend you to go for 30. That might look a little bit better. Still 30 frames is a little bit low, but better than 24. And from here we have also a couple of additional toggles at the bottom. So we have lock screen to end, show touch gesture, visual navigation button, and go back to home or screen recorder, meaning when you stop recording it will go back to this page right here. Now anyway, those were all the settings there, and once you customize it the way you want it, you don't have to come back here ever again. So you can just leave this page, and this time around just tap on the toggle. As you can see, it automatically starts recording, and whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. So once you're finished, you want to interact with this little thing right here, and drag it around, I believe. There you go. And simply tap on the square to save the recording. Now additionally, this little overlay right here won't be visible on the screen recording, so it won't really add any kind of pointless stuff to the recording here. Now anyway, once you save it, you can find the recording in your photo gallery, which, there we go, gallery, and videos. As you can see, there it is. Oh, okay, it's already playing. So as you can see, it is recording right now, or that is the recording. Now additionally, I will also mention one little thing that might interest some people. If you plan to record things like, as an example, Netflix, don't bother. The only thing you'll get is just a black screen. Netflix already thought about that one, and basically blacks system recording. So even though I believe it shouldn't probably have any insight on what you're doing on your phone and what the phone sees, they do have some kind of overlay, so they know that it will be recording, and all you get on the recording is black screen with sound, because sound still is recorded but no visual. So anyway, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.